Hello class 11th. Today I'm going to start with this topic cockroach life cycle in chapter number 7 structural organization in animals. Okay, as you know, in breeding season fertile female emits a sex attractant that is called pheromone, which bring the male close to the female for mating. Copulation occurs at night. Copulation occurs at night. Okay, in summers कब होता है copulation? In summers. तो फीमेल जो होती है वो सिक्रीट करती है क्या, और मेल सिक्रीट करते हैं. फर्टाइल फीमेल emits pheromones. Pheromone is a type of chemical which attract male for the copulation, and copulation occurs at night in summer season. And during the process of the male and female bring their hind end close to each other, the male introduce pseudopenis, external genitalia pseudopenis, into the gonopore of the female, and the spermatophore is deposited on the spermatical papillae. The sperm leave into the spermatophore to enter the spermatheca in the vestibulum of the female. The collateral gland, as you know, opening it secretes a secretion which forms the egg case. It ootheca is of brown color. Egg case or ootheca is of brown color. It carried by the female on her abdomen and deposited in a warm and dark place. Female produces 9 to 10 oothecae. 9 to 10 oothecae, and each oothecae contain 14 to 16 eggs. 14 to 16, this is oothecae. This one is hard chitinous structure and it contains 14 to 16 eggs in 2 rows. Suppose 8 are here, 8 on back side. That is eggs each. This one is oothecae. Oothecae, and it contains 8 to 14 to 16 egg. 14 to 16 eggs in 2 rows. Okay, and how many oothecae produced by the female? That is 9 to 10 oothecae. Okay, 8 to 16 eggs are produced in a single ootheca, and they remain arranged in a double row. The eggs are slightly curved and concave on the side. Okay, and development of the development, इसका जो development होता है that is known as metabolous. Orometabolous type of development occur, means formation of nymph. जिन लाइफ साइकिल्स में निम्फ बनता है, निम्फल स्टेज होती है, दैट टाइप ऑफ लाइफ साइकिल इज कॉल्ड orometabolous type of development occur. The each egg first undergo cleavage into the blastula. Cleavage into the blastula. Okay, and which is followed by the gastrula. Blastula के बाद क्या बनेगा? Gastrula. Okay, gastrula, and which forms the 3 germs layer, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, and it's the various part of the nymph. These layers form the various parts of the nymph. When hatching occurs, the dorsal keel of the ootheca, keel occur. This projection are also called the keel. Okay. The keel of the ootheca is split into the nymph emerge out, leaving the egg membrane within the ootheca. The nymph looks like very like a adult, but वहाँ पे wings और wings develop नहीं होते हैं और genital structures develop नहीं होते in the nymph, but in adult one wings fully developed and reproductive system fully developed in adults. And by 30 times molting occur. निम्स कितने बार मोल्ट करता है? 13 टाइम्स अकर करता है मोल्टिंग. What is this process? Molting, and after that adult form. Nymph molt 13 times and after that adult forms. Now here see the life cycle. Male and female. This one is male cockroach, मेल, एंड दिस वन इज फीमेल. इनके जो हाइंड एंड है वो आपस में क्लोज आते हैं. एंड फीमेल्स क्या करती है, ले करती है ऊथीकी फ्रॉम द anal surface and from the abdomen, and oothike is just like the structure, hard covering and containing eggs, okay, in two rows. And eggs is the egg, newly this one is egg, okay, egg hatch and form nymph, egg hatch and form nymph. This one is egg. देखो ये oothiki burst out and eggs come out from the oothiki and egg hatch out and form nymph. And nymph forms, but in nymph wings are not developed. Antenna, prothorax, thorax and everything is developed in nymph, but after the 13 molting, कितनी molting होंगी, that is 13 molting occur and forms adult cockroach. Adult cockroach. Okay, this is the life cycle of cockroach. It is also given in your book. See here. This one is male, female. This, see this symbol. This is the female symbol, and this one is the male. And abdomen, hind end come close together, and female emits pheromones and which attract the males for the copulation. After copulation, female releases oothiki. How many? 9 to 10 oothiki, and each oothika contain 14 to 16 egg. Here see, this is the keel and this one is the raised areas, and inside the oothikis eggs are arranged here. See this one. And oothika burst out and nymphs come out, newly hatched nymphs from the oothika. This one is the structure of the nymph, and only wings are absent morphologically here. And after the 13 molting, it becomes a adult cockroach.